Thank you for watching our Isoplotec video. This time, we will introduce the function of comparing old and new drawings in PloComp and outputting them as PDF. I will talk about drawing comparison. Design changes always occur when making things. Checking drawings before and after design changes occurs from the design stage through to each subsequent process. The purposes of drawing comparison are first, to improve quality by checking drawings for any differences that may be missing. Second, to improve efficiency through automation and speed. Drawing comparison is used to check for changes made when a design is changed, and to check the differences between drawings of similar models. Drawing comparison is done by using a computer to find the differences between two drawings and displaying the differences easily by using different colors and marking the changed parts with cloud marks. Next, I will explain the flow of drawing comparison. First, prepare the old and new drawing files. These files can be in a number of formats that PloComp can read, including PDF, HBGL, DXF, DWG, and TIFF. Load the old and new files with PloComp. At this time, the old drawing will be displayed in a single color of red, and the new drawing in a single color of green. These two files will be displayed on top of each other. When this is done, shapes that are the same in both the old and new files will be displayed in black, deleted shapes in red, and added shapes in green. When you run the function to find the changed area in PloComp, a cloud mark is automatically added to the changed area. If you output to PDF in this state, you will get a PDF file with the changed parts colored and a cloud mark. Output files can be output in many formats, including not only PDF, but also HBGL, DXF, DWG, and TIFF. The input files for this demo will use the two new and old files shown here. These files are included with PloComp. Various settings of PloComp will be set to default. Now, let's start the drawing comparison demo. Start PloComp. Select the file, open menu, and select the two files, old and new. By default, the number of drawing colors is single, with the first file being red and the second file being green. Filled shapes make it difficult to see the differences, so do the following to stop the filling. Select the Set, Pen menu and turn on Ignore Paint Polygon, Rectangle command. If you press the F1 key, only the old drawings in red will be displayed. When you press F2 key, only the new green drawings will be displayed. When you press the S key, the old and new drawings will be displayed on top of each other. The old and new shapes will be displayed in black, deleted shapes in red, and added shapes in green. When you select the Request and Change Area menu, a dialog box will appear requesting the area to be changed. Set the resolution, color number, change area mark, detail of output, etc. In this example, I will use the default settings and request the area to be changed. Press the search button. This will start the process of adding a cloud mark to the changed area. When the process is complete, press the OK button. On the PloComp screen, you can see a pink cloud mark indicating the changed area. When you select the Display Comment menu, the cloud mark disappears. If you select the Display Comment menu again, a cloud mark will appear. When you select the Output PDF menu, the Set PDF dialog appears. Turn Auto Scale off, Output Scale to 1.0, and Paper Name to Drawing Area plus Margin. When you press the OK button, a PDF file will be created in the output destination. Select the file, Exit menu. The comment has been changed. Do you want to save it? Will be displayed, so press the OK button. PloComp will then exit. Start Acrobat Reader. Select the Edit and Preferences menu. Select Page Display under Categories and check Use Overprint Preview to Automatic. Select the file, open menu, and specify the output PDF file. Make sure that the cloud mark is displayed in the same change area as PloComp. For layers, Lay 1 is the number 1 file, Lay 2 is the number 2 file, and Lay 6 is the cloud mark. Each time you click on Lay 1, Lay 2, or Lay 3 in Layers, the display of that layer will be turned on or off. Finally, here is an overview of PloComp. It runs on Windows PCs. It supports many input and output file formats. It displays multiple drawings side by side, overlapping them. It has a viewer, data conversion function, drawing comparison, and drawing editing functions. The license fee is $90 per license. For details, please refer to the homepage at the displayed URL. Thank you for watching.